In this video, we're going to look at custom sort order. Custom sort order is the way Excel knows how to sort certain data. A good example would be days of the week, Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday. Excel doesn't know this intrinsically, and there's actually a table where you can add lists and it will sort in that way. So that's what I'll show you next. In this example, we have city, department, date and sales. So if I take the department data, so I just copy all the data and I paste it next to this as values and go to data and remove duplicates, I will have the unique list of data. So if we were to sort this data alphabetically, that is something Excel knows exactly how to do. But say, for example, in our shop, we want IT to be on top, then music, then household, groceries, garden, linen. So this is the order we want. So say, for example, in our shop, IT and music is the biggest departments and the rest are just smaller departments. If we wanted to sort this data in this sequence, we can't do it currently because it's not alphabetical. What you can do is, if you select the data, so this is my item, so there's 7 of them, then I click on File, Options at the bottom. Then if you click on Advanced and scroll right to the bottom of this, you'll see there's a section called Edit Custom List. If I click on that, there you can see currently the custom list is in Excel. So there's days of the week and the months of the year. Now we want to add a new list. I started off by selecting them so I don't have to type it in here. So you can see at the bottom here, it's already from I2 to I8. So I just click on import and now you'll see that list in this order. In here you could have typed more of them manually if you wanted to. So if I click OK now and OK again. So now if I click on sort and I click on sort by department, but rather than say the order A to Z or Z to A, you click on custom list and here you can select your own list that you've created. You click on OK and you click on OK, and now you'll see you'll get IT first and then music and so on. So this is now in a custom sort order. This list, if I click on File again, Options, Advanced, scroll to the bottom of Advanced, Edit Custom List. This custom sort order now is not a setting for this specific Excel workbook, but it will be permanently available to you in your instance of Excel on your machine. You can come in here, you can delete or add a new one, but for in this case, say I don't want this anymore, I just click on delete and OK, and now that custom sort order is not there anymore. So that is how you can sort data by a sequence other than alphabetically or numerically. Hi, this is Anton from the Data Developer channel. If you've liked this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up below and subscribing to the channel. And thank you for watching.